Hello everyone. In this video, let us understand how to configure and create our KPIs. Currently, we are on a dashboard page which is having some KPIs that I have added. This is a KPI which is showing me my total transactions with a month-on-month comparison. In points of the spark line, I can see my month-on-month comparison of the total transactions. For example, in this case, this is showing me the number for May 2023 and it is comparing my total transactions number for April 2023 and also showing me the percentage increase or decrease stuff. And also on the next layer, we can all, if you want to understand or go deeper, you can drill down on any data point. For example, I want to understand for June 2023, what are my different payment types contributing to my revenue? I can simply drill down on that point and understand it better. The user can also reset back to the original state. So now let's go to the visualizer to understand on how to create these KPIs. Once you're on the visualizer, you have loaded your workbook. We have the different columns that are there populated. Let's get started and hit on total transactions. This is a simple number with a simple metric column that we have added. Now, if suppose I want to see it over a timeline, I also add my year column to it. Now, when I hit generate, I have the option of switching it to a KPI. On the KPI, currently we are seeing a monthly comparison. If suppose the user wants to have a different metric comparison it with, we can change it. Suppose I can change it to yearly. Now it shows for 2 years. Similarly, the user can change it to quarterly and so on. It is giving the quarter-wise comparison of the total transactions. More things that the user can do is once you are on the widget panel configuration, you can set the comparison criteria. On the comparison criteria, we have two modes. That is one, a comparison with the previous period and a year period. Once the user selects the previous period, it is going to compare whatever comparison period that we have added, it's going to compare with the previous quarter. If suppose I select year period, then it's going to show me a comparison of this quarter comparison with last year's, at the same time how my revenue was on the last year. That is what year period does. The user can configure the comparison criteria from here. Next would be on the settings panel. On the settings panel, the user can simply add a subtitle, title, and a help message. The help message is going to be appearing on the widget here. This will help the users get more insights on what they're trying to convey about this widget. And we have few more sections for setting up the data. That is, on the number, this is pertaining to whatever the numbers that we see here. Currently, it is set on auto. The user can choose to have none, which is going to give him the complete numbers. The decimal configuration can also be done similarly. And on the indicators, this would pertain to the section which is this part. The user can do similar configurations on the numeric notation and the decimal point as well. Coming to the colorings, currently we are showing any of the positive colors with a green color and negative with red. The user can change these colors as well. Next would be sparkline. This configuration pertaining to this sparkline can be done from here. This is on the settings panel.